Welcome to the kitchen. Get ready, let's go. It's cooking with Jack. Put on a tasty show.
Okay guys, what month is it? Soup month. The weather literally dropped a few days ago. It's perfect weather for soup. So come on in close. By the way, if you're not subscribed to Jack on the Go, go over there. We're going to be going to restaurants, examining some of the most popular soups around. Here in the kitchen, we're going to be making soup. Today, jalapeno, spicy jalapeno popper soup. Let's take a look at some of the ingredients. Got chicken broth, smoked paprika for flavor. We got some sourdough bread for the grilled cheese sandwich to go with the soup. Jalapenos, shredded cheese. These are still frozen. They'll be defrosted within minutes. Cloves of garlic. Cooked up bacon. We're going to need about 6 of those. Heavy whipping cream, cream cheese, green onion for decoration, small onion for flavor, salt and pepper for flavor. So let's get this all started. All right, guys. So the best part about making soup is like making chili. All right? You literally dump everything in, let it simmer, and chow down, okay? So let's start with the base. That is the chicken broth. All right, so let's do the cream. I'm literally just dumping it all together. I did not see anything other than mix it all and simmer. Okay, so the flavors get together. Onions, get those in there. Garlic, get those in there. Good old bacon, dump that in there. Jalapenos, those all in there. Make sure you get all of them. You want more heat, leave some of the seeds. I took all the seeds out because company probably will be joining us. You know, I got a little bit of cream and a little bit of broth, so I'm just gonna dump the rest in. I'll cook it down. There we go. You might as well finish it, right? Take the broth, a little bit of broth. Got some extra. Put that in there too. No reason to waste any, right? Just gonna get more soup. Okay? So that's done, that's done. So what's next? I think the cheese is the last bit. Let's throw the cheese in there with everything else. 2 cups of cheese. That was perfectly 2 cups. And jalapeno poppers always has cream cheese. Come on, there we go. We're gonna cover that up, stir it often, let it simmer, and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Crazy, it's looking beautiful, it's smelling beautiful. We're just gonna let that sit simmering for a good 20 minutes, and then we'll try it out. Let all those flavors, oh, by the way, go ahead and throw your seasoning in, however you like, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, more chili powder, I don't care. However you want to season it. I just did salt and pepper and smoked paprika in mine. It's in the recipe down below. All right, here comes the easy part. About 10 minutes before this is done, this is still simmering. Grab yourself a skillet. We're gonna start making the grilled cheese. Real simple. If you don't know how to make grilled cheese, it's 2 pieces of bread with cheese between it. Butter the outside or throw in the pan and butter the pan. And fry it and press it. Fry it and press it. I'll show you. So it's gonna look something like that. You got bread, butter side down, top piece, butter side up. Cheese in the middle. Okay guys, so that's what it looks like We grilled one side, flipped it. Now the other side that's all buttered is getting grilled. Well, there you go. You got your jalapeno or spicy jalapeno popper soup and your grilled cheese dippers. We cut it into sections so you can pick up a section and just dunk it. Looks beautiful. Let's grab it. You grab it like that. Look at all that cheese. You dunk it. Unbelievable. Oh man. The grilled cheese is good. Soup is good. They go great together. Whoever invented this recipe, I salute you. Real good. Give it a try. Spicy jalapeno popper soup with grilled cheese dippers.